Nearly all BI tools provide reports and graphs, but few provide new cross-process insights. This is because intelligent analysis across multiple processes requires a deep understanding of data, not just visualization. To demonstrate the difference, we've built a simple reliability control tower for an example company that just buys and sells goods from 2 locations, one in the US and one in Europe. This overview details the delivery performance from suppliers and our past and projected service to our customers. Let's start by looking at how well we're being serviced ourselves, both by internal and external suppliers. This gauge shows the average delivery reliability we have received from both external vendors and intercompany shipments. We can see that recent performance has been an unacceptable 77%. Now we want to understand why, so in the next chart we break this average down. Looking at the weekly inbound delivery reliability performance by document type, we can see that standard purchase orders are consistently okay, and the actual issue lies with intercompany stock transport orders. Let's decompose this further to understand at a supplier level who is responsible for the issues. Here we see that New York supplies to Hamburg are the worst, closely followed by Hamburg's delivery to New York. Both have service levels around 50%, which is unacceptable. You can now click on each supplier to see the actual purchase order items, how late they were, what the root cause was, get contact details, etc. The real question is, has this delay in supply hurt our customers? The second column contains all information about the reliability of all outbound customer deliveries. As we can see here, there is room for improvement as the average company-wide service level is 89%. The next overview shows the customer service from each plant by week. Hamburg experienced a dip back in September, but both are currently around 80%. We now need to know which customers are not being serviced properly and which ones are going to hit in the future. Plus, we also want to understand why the issues occurred. This chart shows the 5 most poorly serviced customers in the last 2 weeks, and the next 2 weeks by reason. Holden & Associates is going to have nearly 30 orders impacted. We need to act quickly. Just like all other overviews, a single click allows you to drill down further to understand the reasons why they're late. The final column goes beyond reporting into predictive analysis. Here we see the projected service level for the next 2 weeks if no action is taken, 71%. The next chart shows what the problems are. While we have a few planning issues and continued intercompany issues, we can see that we will experience major delays from some external suppliers. The final chart details the potential impact to customer service caused by these issues. Nearly 1.8 million euros of sales orders will be impacted in the next 2 weeks by the late supplier issue. Let's drill down into the late suppliers to find out the vendor details and the purchase orders affected. Great! Now we can act to ensure we meet our delivery promises. Now that's being in control. Why settle for reports when you can have this kind of insight?